If you guys are in Shillong, trust me, I've found the best location to stay in Shillong. The best Airbnb you'll ever see, and the most peaceful forest you'll ever visit, and the most beautiful and yummy restaurant in Shillong. Also, if you love shopping, I know the exact shop you should visit. This is my last day in Meghalaya and I feel so sad, but the weather is so nice, sunny and very chilly. We started our day with breakfast in Orange Rose, is one of my favorite restaurants in Cherrapunji. You should definitely come here if you're visiting Cherrapunji. It offers a lot of variety of food and it's yummy. We had some South Indian breakfast, had some coffee and left to experience the sacred forest. Also, the weather was so nice. It was so chilly yet sunny and it felt really very nice. Accent मार के Schwaben Room Shop Ban Ban. You're only allowed to go in with a guide and not everything is allowed to capture, so you can ask the guide कि हम capture कर सकते हैं क्या, and if they allow you can do it. One can feel that the forest is let undisturbed without human interaction. The undisturbed ambience makes it so appealing. The guide is mandatory and you get a lot of new information from the guide about the tribes, their culture and how special the forest is.
As this tea will help for asthma. Okay. Okay, but here in Meghalaya there is no asthma.
The guide takes one for a walk around the woods, pointing out some interesting trees, explaining the history, traditions, and rituals related to the place. This sacred forest is a special place in Khasi community as it was used for special rituals in old times. You must take a guide local, he will get the full explanation and tell you all about the different trees and plants grown there for their medical properties. It is definitely a worth a visit because it feels very peaceful inside and it has like a lot of historical meaning. So if you are willing to learn that, you should definitely come here. You will get an entry ticket of I guess 300 to 400. Right front of the forest they have this cafe where you can experience local food. It is very yummy if you want to taste the local food. Sure. Hello. The walk is around 30 to 40 minutes. After that, we left for Shillong and we booked this Airbnb. We booked it online and oh my god, I guess this is one of the best properties I have stayed in. I mean, I'm giving you the Airbnb tour, just look at this. So in this there is like a common hall, kitchen and everything, and you get separate rooms, and I guess the price was around 1500 to 1800. I'll mention the details in my description box, or you can download my itinerary for all the details and the places we have stayed with the prices, so you'll get an idea if you want to come here. This was our bedroom and oh my god, it was so clean, so neat. The heater was there, the geyser was there, everything was provided. and it felt really warm and welcoming. We took some rest and then we changed and we headed towards Shillong Market. I was really excited to discover this. This is Police Bazaar in Shillong, and I've heard a lot about this place. So, but it is like always crowded. But if you want to get an experience, you can definitely come here. I wanted to taste the food and take some fun stuff for my family. The food was yummy. I mean, the momos were like average. I didn't like it that much, but other stuff were also nice. You can have it if you're like super hungry and you want to taste it.
तो किस किस के लिए लेना है यही नहीं पता है
डिफरेंस क्या है पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल?
एलेक्स शॉपिंग बैग
No change, only one pay. जमाने में तुमको को भीख नहीं मिलेगा.
So the most famous things in Shillong Market is items made of bamboo. So we were looking कि क्या खरीदे because we wanted to take some stuff for our friends. So this was the shop I did all my shopping and it was really nice. It was kind of affordable, not that expensive, not that cheap. So you can definitely come here.
It's so cold. अकेले अकेले मत and you
इनका सिटिंग देखना कैसा है. Why? If you're thinking to visit Meghalaya, Shillong, you should definitely purchase these pieces. So this was the last day. I was feeling so sad, but we had a great time in Meghalaya. I'm gonna miss this place so much. We had a last goodbye with our guide who was so sweet. So next day we were heading towards airport. We did our breakfast which was provided to us by the Airbnb. It was normal, not jada, it's just cornflakes, bread and some eggs. But honestly, the view from this Airbnb was everything. It was located in a pretty good location, so if you're coming here, you should definitely check out.
चल
So the Guwahati airport was like 3 hours away from Shillong, so we decided to eat something first. So we heard of this cafe and we thought of coming here, chilling and have some food and then continue our drive. The ambience was, oh my god, so nice. I kind of मुझे ऐसे थोड़ा Mumbai feels आई cafes and all देख के, but the ambience was like really nice. If you're coming here in Shillong, definitely check out this cafe. food was really amazing. I mean, I loved every bit of it. If you want to have some yum food before heading to the airport, you should definitely check out. After some yum food, we started our journey towards Guwahati airport. हमने जो कार रेंट किया था वो हमने वापस दे दिया and we left for Mumbai. And that's it for this vlog and the end of my Meghalaya vlog series. If तुम लोगों ने मेरे पहले वाले एपिसोड नहीं देखे तो please check out. I have like 6 to 7 episodes on Meghalaya and let me know which one was your favorite.